the safest way to disinfect your Dermaroller, and it is not alcohol. I am gonna be showing you guys how I disinfect Dermaroller. This is foam therapy cleanser. I'm gonna actually leave this for a couple of minutes while I'm talking to you guys. This is how you wanna disinfect your Dermaroller. So what that is, this is better than alcohol, and why it is better than alcohol. Natural foam therapy, toxic-free, Leaping Bunny certified. Why this is better? Only 5 ingredients. Now, alcohol is actually destroying, damaging your skin protective lipid barrier. You all know, you all complain to me, you complained for such a long time, so then I created that baby, okay? Affordable 5 ingredients. First ingredient, certified toxic-free, purified water. Sodium lauryl, saccharosanide, can't pronounce, you know that, coconut palm derived. Sodium chloride, which is stabilized oxygen. That ingredient actually disinfects your Dermaroller and skin, and a vegetable glycerin and baking soda. 5 simple ingredients. So why foam is special? This you can literally disinfect your skin. I'm gonna show you in a second. You can disinfect any tool that you're gonna be using on your skin. You can disinfect vegetables. I put on my dog when she has allergies and start to be itchy. I put on mosquito bites. It reduces irritation and inflammation and infection. It does not cure or heal. It just helps with all of that. Foam is super simple. You can use this instead of the hand sanitizer. So it is better because it is natural. It does not damage your skin protective barrier. If you're a person that you are obsessed and love disinfecting, sanitizing your hands, this is 99.99% disinfects. I'm gonna put table right here. Fungi, bacteria, viruses, mold, all the kind of pathogens. And it's easy to use, big bottle, affordable, so much better than alcohol. It takes around, I will say, maybe 2 to 5 minutes to completely to dissolve. We're gonna wait until it's gonna dissolve, and then I'm gonna show you how it disinfects your skin. Now, one reminder that I have to give it to you guys, it is this foam cleanser. It is not everyday cleanser. I know you guys some of you washing every single day when you have acne and blackheads, and if it's working for you, that's totally fine. But what I wanted to say, that this is not every single day cleanser. You can use it if it works for you, that's fine, but I'm saying not every single day. So now how I do disinfect the skin. And now you're gonna be, Jen, why are you wearing a sun hat filming YouTube video at home? This is just a reminder for you guys. When you use Dermaroller on your skin, when you Dermaroll, make sure for the next 72 hours you protecting your skin from the sun rays. That's mean hat, sunglasses, SPF, COVID mask, whatever you need to do to protect your skin, you have to do this. A reminder, I see so many of you Dermaroll and next day go into the sun with no sunscreen. I'm not saying you should avoid sun. You should be smart and protect yourself from the sun. If you're going in the sun, walking the dog, if you have to go to the grocery store, you have to understand that you have to protect your skin, all right? And now it's been 5 minutes, basically foam settling in. You will wait a little bit longer. You will wait until foam is dry of the Dermaroller. So you wanna maybe disinfect 20, 30 minutes, like 1 hour before the session. Once this is dry, you don't need to do anything else unless foam is bothering you. Then you can wash with distilled or purified water, not tap water, and then continue with the Dermaroller. This is how it looks. The foam stays here. After that, you just can, I don't know, toss it in your sink like that. And voila, you basically disinfect your Dermaroller inside the case. Super simple, super easy. Now, how do I disinfect my skin? I take, let's say, pump or 2. I apply disinfected area where I want to Dermaroll my skin, for example, right? I apply like that gently. Basically, don't rub, but just gently tap it. Wait for like 10-20 seconds. Once you're letting absorb a little bit, then gentle, take another cloth that you have, not using for anything else, just face, and then wipe it off that foam residue. And that's what's going to happen. You're going to remove the foam, the residue. Your skin might gonna be a little bit sticky, but listen guys, sticky is better than damaging your skin protective barrier with alcohol. Now those people that live outside of United States, we do ship this worldwide. There are only a few countries that we do not ship, but majorities of the 150, 160 countries, we do ship that to your country. If you don't like it, we have 30 days money back guarantee. It's all safe. I trust my products. I trust my brand. Quality incredible. We have incredible reviews. People love this. I highly recommend. I hope this was helpful. Please let me know down in the comment below if you have any questions. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Stay gorgeous!